You also said Bihar and Maharashtra are entertainment issues.
No, I didn't say that.
You said
I
that.
said it may have entertainment value. Your TRP ratings are high.
So you think a man like Sushant Singh Rajput dies, and there is a cry from the common man asking for justice. It's
I am
about
part of that.
entertain-
I am part of that.
Then what is entertaining
No,
about
I'm
it?
saying that it is the way it is playing out is full seriousness. It is testing what? Our institutional infrastructure, our investigating agencies, NCB, it's testing our courts, it's reached the Supreme Court. I find that a robust democracy and I endorse that.
But what's entertaining about it?
But do you think anybody who watches programs on prime time are doing it out of boredom? They're also being, their interest is being kept alive. I use that word in that sense.
So I want to ask you, as a robust democracy, some people have said that the arrest of Riya Chakrabarti is the death, is keeping patriarchy alive. How do you respond to that?
I'm a feminist, married to one, I have two daughters who are feminist. But this kind of characterization, I don't. Look, let's face it, put this aside. What the facts of the matter are, she has a case to answer. Whether she answers it adequately or not, other people have taken the call and have proceeded with the arrest, etc. That's a legitimate process. I don't buy this patriarchy part, etc., or any character. I frankly don't even know who made the comment. But
half of Bollywood.
Well, I don't want to get into where Bollywood stands, why they are silent.
And half of Bollywood supported by another half, which is liberal India.
Well, liberal India,
So-called liberal
India, I'm at the receiving end of some of their affection within quotes. I get a fair amount these days.
So am
because
I.
because they have this running battle. I mean, if you are part of us, part of my government, right, which I'm an extremely proud member of, then, I have friends who are very prominent members of the Liberals. When I was permanent representative in New York, I hosted them, I organized events for them in the UN.
The liberals are also saying that now that you are no longer liberal because you are in the BJP, you are going after Bollywood.
Me?
Because you, as in your government, and your investigation agencies are going after Bollywood because you want to make them sanskari and drugs not recovered, and therefore you're going after this drug cartel क्योंकि आप सबको संस्कारी बनाना चाहते हैं.
Hold on. First of all, I've lived in New York. Okay, that is one of my most enjoyable professional careers. Professional in the sense I was permanent representative to the UN. I was in an international think tank. I was Secretary General of the Independent Commission. Please study the history of how Giuliani, the mayor of New York, cleaned up the mafia there and the underworld, and where drugs were an important component. When I watch your program, and look, I'm an admirer, so I shouldn't say this on your face, you'll get more aggressive. But when I see you in the evening discussing the drug problem, the one issue I ask myself is, have we got a realistic assessment of how far this menace has gone? How is it that not only soft drugs, not only, what we used to call hashish or marijuana, but now these fancy names, and some of these are, substances which are no longer in that category. These are very, these are those which have a toxicity which is life-threatening. How have we allowed it to go that far? Now, it is a larger issue of society, okay, and some of it is part of this partying culture, but I think more than that, there's some people have to answer for that. I don't know what the extent in Bollywood is. I'm a little surprised that Bollywood is quiet about this. I would have liked, look, I'll give you an example. When I was...
you would have liked Bollywood to say what?
No, to look at themselves. I asked you, so when I fought an election in Amritsar, which was a real education, in Punjab, the problems of drugs are well known.
Chitta, it's called there.
Yeah. The problems of you work hard in a field, you go and encash your coupon at the adda, daru. I used to ask the senior members of the community, and I used to say, sir, in Punjabi, very differential, you must have known when this was happening. You must have seen it around you. When you saw entire generations being wiped out. Look, I've lived in societies where drugs have had a vice-like grip. You know, you've lost an entire generation. This is not only here, even Indian communities outside, the excessive drinking, drugs. Look, nobody is talking about moderate substance abuse, this is not a discussion on that. And you know, they tell me very frankly, we perhaps didn't understand what was happening and we made mistakes. We allowed the situation to get out of control. I'm worried about that. I don't know. I mean, successive
You're
police...
a progressive, at least ex-liberal now, because that's the definition that will stick to you for a while.
Ex.
Nobody
will believe that I still have a liberal streak in me.
The others are a part of you has
No, I'm
ceased
very
to
much.
be liberal.
I'm very much on individual freedoms. I have a very defined liberal streak. But when it comes to overall, and where you have dealing with issues of national security, etc., I'm a little intolerant of what some of my liberal friends are saying and doing.
So, Mr. Hardeep Puri, I really want to ask you, is this really about wiping out the drug mafia, or is this about taking people's liberties away?
No, hold on.
And is this political because it started because of the Bihar elections?
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Political Bihar elections, what has this got to do with it? I mean, I used to say this in Punjab. I said, look, this is not about party X or party Y. When you're dealing with the social fabric, you're dealing with the lives of innocent young people. This is not about politics, all right? Now, if at any given point of time, your government is in power, whatever political persuasion you are, you have to assume responsibility. But let's look at it differently. How much more chaos or how much more undermining of the social fabric and tearing that social fabric apart do we need to see before we come together as a society to focus on this? Now, you know, there are many things to do.
But the younger generation has a different viewpoint.
I am not so sure. I'm not so sure. They will sometime come and thank you. When you ask questions about why a particular state government has been somewhat quiet. Now, I want to be careful. I have to deal with them in many of my ministries, etc. But I ask myself the same question. Look, why should it need a television channel, a influential anchor like yourself? Aren't some of these facts already available? All right, the press can do a good job. It focuses attention on the gaps, on the fault lines in our society where some of these malpractices are there. But I think we need to introspect.